Hello everyone, my name is Leonardo. I'm from Brazil. Here in Brazil, people often call me by my nickname, which is Leo. Uh, it's something like similar to a lion, but I'm not sure exactly why my name is Leo, but people just call me Leo. You can call me Leo, okay? And I live in the state of São Paulo, here in Brazil. Actually, I'm studying here in CIT theory, and I have some background skills with IT technology. Uh, Today I work with cloud computing, mainly with Google's cloud solutions, like the Google Cloud Platform or G Suite tools. And I really like to hang out with my friends, watch movies, chat a little bit. But I'm a big fan of traveling. Because of my work with cloud computing, sometimes I need to deploy new Google solutions in some cities around Brazil, so I like to travel. I travel a lot. For example, the last year I traveled for like 5 states of Brazil, and I met a lot of persons. And it was a really different experience, and I enjoyed that. Also, I don't have much experience with web design development. Actually, I'm not a big fan of the area. I'm really terrible at that area, actually. I did CIT tutorial the last semester, but I couldn't finish due to personal reasons. And here I am trying again this course because I knew Brother Adam from before, and he's a really good teacher. Uh, and I'm really excited to be here with you guys. I expect that I can finish this course this time, that I can learn the principles of, you know, better semantics, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I just hope I can finish well because I really want to learn more about it. Although, I don't want to follow the web development area, but I think any kind of skill is important because you never know if you're going to use it for the future. That's it. Bye bye.